I have a nail in my tire, and to fix it, I'm going to use my tire plug kit and a pair of linesman's pliers. Along with the basics that come in the tire kit, I've also added a slime tube repair kit, and the advantage to that is it has patches, so if you have the tire off you can boot them from the inside. And in this bag I have some valve stems, a valve stem tool, some caps, some basic things. The tire has not gone flat yet, so to try to keep it from going flat, I'm lining up my tools first, and I'm going to set everything up before I start trying to fix the tire. The first step is to get a plug set up to go into the tool, and the way I do that is using the linesman's pliers to smash the end of it. Just grab it and pinch it for a few seconds until it goes flat. Just like that. And that makes it fit into the end of the tool so much easier. And then you can grab the other side with the pliers and pull it through about halfway. Now I'm going to open up the bottle of lubrication that comes with it. And the first thing I'm going to do is make sure I get some inside the end of the tool. That will help the plug come out easier. And the next thing is, this is the reaming tool that you use to expand the hole. And I'm going to put some on the end of that. It'll make that job much easier. Okay, so I'm going to pull the nail out. And before I lose too much air, I'm going to shove this in the hole. This is difficult. Once you get it in there, work it around, spin it in and out, and use it to expand the hole. Then shove the plug into the hole. This is difficult as well. You want to get it, pretty far in. Just leave a small amount sticking out. And do you see that ring that's sitting around the tool? You can see it better in here. It has a cylindrical bottom to it, and that holds the plug in place when you pull the tool out. So you hold that down with your hands and pull the tool out. Then trim the ends off. I've tried not trimming the ends, and they can get caught while you're driving and pull the plug out. So trim both ends short, and that's it.